Hello! Are you ready to have some fun? Today, we're going to learn all about something super exciting. We're going to learn how things move. Let's get going!
Well, hello there, little friend. I am so happy you're here to learn with me today. I have a very important question for you. Are you ready for a moving adventure? You are? Woohoo! That's awesome. Let's go! Okay, first up, let's talk about things that roll. Can you try to say that word with me? Roll. It's such a fun way to move.
Look, a ball rolls. I bet you've played with a ball, right? It just goes round and round and round.
And hey, what else rolls? A car rolls too. The wheels on the car go round and round, just like a ball. Vroom, vroom.
Let's all say it together like a little song. Are you ready? Let's go. Roll, roll, roll. One more time, nice and loud. Roll, roll, roll. You got it.
All right, what's next? Oh, some things walk. That's something we do all the time, isn't it? Our feet go step, step, step. So, who walks? People walk. And you know who else walks? Our furry friends. Look, a dog walks. Let's pretend to walk nice and slow. Ready? Step, step, step.
Okay, but what happens when we walk, but we go super fast? That's right, we run. Some things just love to run.
Whoa, look at that cheetah go. It runs so fast. And guess what? Kids can run really fast too. Come on, let's say it with lots of energy. Run, run, run.
All right, let's look up. Way, way, way up in the big blue sky. You know, some amazing things can fly. It's kind of like magic, isn't it?
Yep, a bird flies in the sky. It just soars right through all those big fluffy clouds.
And ooh, look at this, so pretty. A butterfly flies too with its beautiful, colorful wings. It's your turn. Can you pretend you have big wings? Let's flap our arms just like a bird or a butterfly. Say it with me now. Flap, flap, flap. Wow, look at you flying. Okay, let's come down from the sky and splash. We're diving right into the cool water. Down here, some things move by swimming.
Look at that little fishy. A fish swims in the water, wiggling its fins and its tail to move all around.
Let's pretend we're little fish. Can you put your hands together and make them swim? Let's make the sound swish, swish, swish. Great swimming. Wow, you've learned so many ways things can move. So guess what? Now it's your turn. Let's move together. Are you ready?
Just think about it. We learned about rolling and walking and running and flying and swimming. That's so many cool ways to move. So, my really big question for you is, can you move too? I bet you can. Let's try it out right now.
Okay, get ready. First, let's roll like a ball. Can you curl up small and gently roll? Roll, roll, roll. Perfect. Now, let's walk like a puppy. Get on your hands and feet. Step, step, step. Great job. Time to go fast. Let's run in place super fast. Run, run, run. You're so fast. Now, spread your wings. Let's fly like a butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. And for the last one, let's swim like a fish. Move your arms and swish, swish, swish. You did it. That was amazing.
You are such a fantastic mover. You know how to roll, walk, run, fly, and swim. So I wonder, how will you move today? Maybe you'll run in the grass or swim in the water. Whatever you do, have lots of fun moving and exploring. Bye-bye for now.